53630, sorry, 5-line uniform.
Emirates 201, radio check.
Emirates 201, open the transport package 1, answering for this service department.
347, bye-bye, Emirates 201.
So guys, today I present you the Timex Q United Arab Emirates Limited Edition. You probably all know the Timex Q, and I try to resist as long as possible, but when they announced the new UAE Limited Edition, I had to pull the trigger and get one. Actually, this is not the first Timex I bought. I have currently a Timex Scout Expedition in my collection, and if you start your journey into the watch world, there's probably no way around the Timex. Before we start, a quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing my Casio World Time today, one of my favorite watches and always super useful for traveling. In addition, it sits light and comfortable on your wrist. And now, let's get right into the unboxing. So I bought the watch from the Rivoli Group, one of the big watch dealers here in Dubai. They usually have very good offers and from time to time some really nice special watches. You just need to be quick to grab one of those. In addition to the watch, I received a voucher for some new glasses and I paid 749 dirham or around $200 for the watch. They also had a promotion that you could choose an additional watch from a small display for free. Of course, this is not a very expensive piece, but I think it is a nice add-on that I can give away to one of the kids of my friends or of the employees in our building. So the Timex comes in a UAE sleeve that celebrates the 49th National Day of the UAE. Inside the sleeve we have a quality cardboard box. Let's open it, and here we have the watch box. And the Q Timex UAE Special Edition. The Special Edition Q Timex celebrates United Arab Emirates National Day with patriotic colors and an engraved caseback. First released in the 1970s, our original Q Timex gave a new generation a modern watch with quartz technology. We have created this iconic favorite just like the original with a rotating bezel, woven stainless steel bracelet, functional battery hatch and domed acrylic crystal. Let's get it out of the box. And here we have the beauty. Let's remove all the stickers. The engraved caseback with the shape of the UAE. I got number 41 of 500. Let's remove the battery saver and start this beauty to tick. And here we go. On the dial we find a minute, hour and second hand. The date window shows us the day and the date, and all markers are filled with a luminescent material. The dial somehow reminds me of the dial of a Rolex, Submariner or GMT for example, as also all the markers on the Timex are made in simple shapes like circles, rectangles and triangles, and by that of course give you this very good legibility, what I just mentioned in the GMT Pepsi review. Let's set the day. Unfortunately there is no quick set for the day, so you have to do it via the hour and minutes hand. And let's set the time. And the date can be quickly adjusted via a quick set function. Overall, no big deal with setting the day, as this is a quartz watch and will run probably for the next 2 years without any interruption. Time to check the weight. The watch comes at exactly 90 grams. The diameter of the watch is 38 millimeters. The lug to lug distance is 45 millimeters. The bracelet starts at 22 millimeters and tapers down to 16 millimeters. And the thickness of the watch is 11 millimeter. So very moderate dimensions to make the watch fit to any kind of wrist. The quality of the watch feels as you would expect it for a $200 watch. The case is very nicely shaped, made out of stainless steel and polished. The bracelet feels like a 70s or a modern Casio bracelet. The bezel is only friction based, but without any big play. The watch has a water resistance of 50 meters, so yeah, overall you get what you pay for, I would say. And my highlight of all these features is definitely the beautiful case with the green case ring below the bezel. The second hand unfortunately seems a little bit cheap, and of course the quartz ticking gives away that this is not a mechanical watch. Let's put the watch on my 6.5 inch wrist. It sits already quite good, but we have to adjust the bracelet a little bit. This can be done within seconds. You just need the help of a small knife or a small screwdriver or so, and then you can open the clasp and adjust it to your wrist. And now it sits perfectly on my wrist. The case size is ideal and the tapering of the bracelet looks really good. Time to check the lume. And some more wrist shots for you. So overall guys, a very well executed fun watch that is worth the $200. If you like the design, I can fully advise you to get one. Just don't expect the quality of a luxury watch. This is a re-edition and also feels like a freshly built watch from the 70s. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, leave me a comment and a like. Thank you for watching and bye bye.